Hi guys, so this is Julie Colburn and I'm going to be doing this webcast for Education 546. So I'm going to show you the Pottermore website, which is for all Harry Potter fans or anyone who's interested in Harry Potter. So this is what the front page looks like when you first log on. It gives you different articles that you can read about, more history on the couples that are in Harry Potter, which is pretty cool. It gives you more in-depth collections and other writings from J.K. Rowling. And at the bottom, you can join the community for Fantastic Beasts. You can also shop, which is pretty cool. If you scroll back up to the top, it says you can explore the story. While you explore the story, it gives you a walkthrough of Hogwarts. If you click on this link, it also gives you different locations, characters in the story, creatures, spells and charms, and then magical objects. I highly recommend this page. This is my favorite. You can go to the Fantastic Beasts right here, just exclusively on that. It won't have anything about Harry Potter. Or the Cursed Child, which is the book after Harry Potter grows up. Different features includes which Hogwarts houses do what, different things about the characters. You could take quizzes. You can learn all kinds of different things on this page. But my personal favorite is the sorting page. What the sorting page is you take different quizzes to find out which house you're in. You can find out what kind of Patronus you have. You can even find out what kind of wand you would have. And all sorts of other awesome stuff. Right here, you can join the Wizarding Book Club, which basically is just everyone who's ever been extremely fascinated with Harry Potter. And they go there and you guys can discuss the books in length. You can also purchase the Harry Potter books down here if you would like. It's all up to you. And that's the Harry Potter website. Thank you.